Hello, boys and girls. I'm glad you're back with me. I'm so excited about this video. We're gonna start with square roots. We're gonna start with square roots, and we have a lot of things to cover in those new set of videos about square roots. Remember, last time, last we had many questions, many examples from square roots. Okay, so remember, so this one here, remember, we have lost the connection for a minute, but we were saying last video, this one here, 6 to the exponent of half. Okay, okay, it becomes square root of 6, which is 2.45, which means like two uh, three numbers. If you multiply it by itself, well, actually the same number, if you multiply it by itself three times, it becomes 6. Or three a number that you multiply by itself twice, it becomes 6 in this example here. So because this 2 here, okay, it should be on the top over here, but they don't put it in that square root symbol, because it's obvious, or it's really standard. Okay, so anyway, but if we have 3 here, if we have number 3, so we have to put 3 on the top of this square root. So it becomes 3 over here. But anyway, I'm going to give you an example in a minute. Anyway, okay. So the rule is, okay, 6 to the exponent half equal square root, square twice of 6, because there is 2 here. If we have, if we have, let's say, 8 to the exponent 8 to the exponent 1 over 2, so it becomes what? Square root of 8. Same thing here. Square root of 8. Same thing. Okay, whatever that equal is. Okay, and then another example, if we have uh, square root of 9 to the exponent 2, the exponent 2, which is equal, or actually 1.5, 1/2. Okay, 1 over half. Okay, over 2. Okay, so this is equal. This equal also square root of and square root of 9, right? That's the same thing. Now, what if we have a number? A number is, let's see, 25. Okay, to the exponent to the exponent 1 over 3. So what about over 3? Okay, so this 3 becomes third root of 25. Third root of 25, which means what? Let me show you what exactly I mean. Okay, equal. Let me see, get this. This is a little bit expansion of the square root symbols. Okay. So it becomes like this. Bear with me. Paste here, and then we go like this, just to show you what's going on here. Okay, so it becomes here. And becomes, aha. So this one is actually 25 here. 25, and then this goes like this here. Okay, so this third root of 25, third root of 25. Okay, so which means what? If we multiply three numbers, actually one number by itself three times, it will become equal 25. So x, if we say the number is x, we name it number x times x times x, okay, equal 25. That's what this term means. Third root of 25. X times x times x equal 25. So we need to know what is the number. Okay, now how do we find this out? We get a calculator or we get tables. There are a lot of numbers in my book, which what you're looking at now. This is my book here. A lot of numbers will give you the answer to this x. Okay. Now, so if we have another number, let's say 100, okay, to the exponent of 1 over 5, okay, which means what? Okay, equal, okay, fifth root of 100, fifth root of 100, and I'll show you what I mean by that. And then there is a rule which is this one here. Actually, you see it like this here. It's right here. That's exactly the rule I'm talking about. This is a rule, a whole complete rule. Okay. Now, 10 to the exponent 1/5 equal. Well, let me see. We can do it like that. Copy, and becomes here, and paste, and then we can get this here. We put it right here. Copy, and then we paste it here. Aha! So this is another rule. If we have 100, should be here, this 100. This should be 100. Okay, so equal what? It's a number x times x times x times x times x 5 times. Why? Because it's the fifth root. The fifth here is on the top of the square root symbol, okay, or to the left side. Okay, so what that mean? We need a number that if you multiply it by itself 5 times, it will equal 100. Aha! And that's exactly the rule I'm talking about, like over here. So the rule is, okay, let's do it over here. Okay, this is a rule, paste. If A, okay, remember, A, don't be intimidated by the name. A is a number, right? And x over y, if the exponent is a number on divided by another number or a fraction, is in the exponent location. So this y here becomes on the top of, to the left of the square root, and the x is on the top of the number a. So that's what we're talking about. So this 100 here is a, and this number here 1 over 5 is x is 1 here, right, and y is 5 over here, right, and then y's root, it's called y's root, okay, of a of x, okay, a exponent x. So that is the rule here. Okay, this one here, okay, this we're talking about the same one here, okay, and that is the first rule of square root. Okay, well, not the square, not the first rule, but it's a important rule. Okay, now that is the first lesson of square root set of videos. I will see you next video, and the next video question is what is the 14th biggest sea or ocean in the world? Okay, next video we will answer that question. Thank you so much.